Hi guys, this is Alex from Alex and Ryan Design. We're at the range here in Londonderry today to do a quick review on the Glock 43. Glock 43 is a blue tag version. It's got the tritium night sights. This Glock was provided by Riley's Sport Shop in Hooksett. They have Glock 43 models coming in daily, and they have quite a few blue tag models available at the law enforcement section. The Glock 43 is a single stack 6-shot 9mm. It's got these little mags here. They have a pinky extension, so you get a full grip on it. Right now, this gun has about a Glock 26 grip, and with the mag inserted, you can get a full grip on it. And I have big hands. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Check out the links below to our Facebook and Instagram. And thank you for watching.